Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to come on to share with you the new release in the jcraftcreation store. I've cut out all of the releases in some different paper so you can see how they're decorated, and as always there's a new coupon code down below if you want to get some discounts in the store to get some new SVG files for your Cricut or silhouette. So the first one here is a New Year, New Me word piece. So it's a singular piece like this, which comes with the background and then the layering one, so New Year, New Me, and it's got these cute little starbursts. So the reason I've printed it in this size, because SVGs, you can print them whatever size you want. I have a rectangular photo of myself that I want to put here in a layout, and then I'm going to do some journaling down the bottom. So this will appear on my Instagram with that layout, and it's going to be my goals for 2022. This is going to be the first layout in my 2022 album. So this is the first one here. You could do some stitching if you want to. I think I will actually add some basic stitching on here, but I like how this one turned out. This is available in the shop now for you to purchase if you want to use this yourself. Going on with a few more New Year's things, I've got this one here which says 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year. I made this one to be a layering piece for a card, but with all SVGs, scale it up, scale it down. This could be a really cool design on a t-shirt for a New Year's Eve party. This could also be a really cool design in a layout or just an embellishment. So really simple like this. You can add some stitching, and remember, this is just an example of how you can use the cut file. Your cut file, once you purchase it, you can do whatever you want. You can do vinyl, glitter, chipboard, foam, whatever you want. I've just decided to do it with some paper. Then a couple more cut files. I've got this Christmas one, which this one here says Merry Days, and it's got these little starbursts in it. This is an insert into my December daily. You're purchasing the words here. They're connected, they're connected, they're connected, and then the Y is singular. You can manipulate the cut file though once you purchase it to make them all connected. That's the beauty of SVG files. You can do whatever you want with it. So I've just cut it out in some pink paper and used it as an acetate, so it's like a peek through in my December daily. There's a photo of this on my Instagram, I believe, about how it looks in my December daily, so you can check that out. But really cool cut file, could be used as a scrapbooking layout. I'm actually thinking, I've never made a t-shirt before, but I think I've just purchased some fabric vinyl, some iron-on vinyl. I'm going to cut it out and I think I'm going to put it on a t-shirt. So if I do decide to do that, I'll put that on my Instagram so you can go check that out. It's the same name as my YouTube, Jaymithescrapper. So this is available in the jcraftcreation store. Then the next Christmas one, which I've also done for December daily, is this really simplistic Christmas tree with Merry Christmas on it. I think this one would be beautiful on a t-shirt as well. This is just another peek through on my album. I wanted something on this page, but nothing to kind of detract a lot. You could layer up this as well. You could layer up the star, but I've just done it simple like this. So this is also in the store. It's got that really beautiful scripty font that I like using, and this is a singular piece. It's all welded together, so you don't have to paper piece all of those together. It comes out cut together as a whole. Then I'm so excited. This is my favorite piece from my whole release, is a Teacup Shaker. So this is a shaker that is an SVG shaker. So what you're getting is the layering piece, the acetate piece, the background piece, and then these two layering pieces as well. This is my absolute favorite piece from this release. So as you can see, shaker teacup. Oh, it's so pretty. So you can cut it like this, which is a shaker. If you want a little bit more of a detailed view and other ways you can decorate this, head on over to my Instagram. But then you can also shrink the size down. I didn't do the layering piece on this one, and just make a really cute mini embellishment. You can print this smaller. I just wanted kind of like a big one just to demonstrate for you. So I really, really like this one. And the beauty of purchasing SVG files is, like I've said in every new release, you can scale them to the size you want. You can make this as a full 12 by 12 layout and have a giant shaker, which I think I might try because that'll be so cool. If I ever have a tea party, I think I will do that because that'll look so amazing. You can scale it down to this really small size and make a cool teacup stack or an embellishment, or you can use the size that it was designed. That's the beauty of SVGs. Then we've got a couple of background pieces. So I've turned them into layouts so you can see an idea of how they're going to look. So here's the first one. What you're purchasing is this background rectangular layering piece. And I've done this cute layout of my doggy, and I've layered it up with different papers, majority of them marigold and garden party. And I actually scaled this piece to this size. This is a 12 by 12 cut file, but I scaled it to an 8.5 by 11 because that's the photo that I had, and just decorated it really simplistic. Once the cut file was done, this layout took me 5 minutes. I glued it onto the page, I added the photo, I glued this on, I glued that on, done. 5 minutes. So that's the really fun thing with cut files. You can cut 10 of them out, layer them up, and then the next day you just do your layouts and they're done. So this is such a fun cut file, really, really easy to make and put together. Again, this is just an example of how to use the cut file. You can use them in whatever way you see. And then the last one for this release that I've printed and made for you is this adorable love heart cut file. As you can see, it's a whole bunch of love hearts that are layered. Now for this one, I matted them with paper. This one I decided to do a mixed media background and layer the cut file on top. This is a 12 by 12 cut file that I did not scale down, but you could scale it down if you wanted to, 6 by 8, 8.5 by 11, 9 by 12, whatever size layout you're doing, or even a t-shirt, whatever you want to use your cut file for. But I just think that this layout is so stunning. It's a photo of my cat. And I think it pairs really well with the beautiful background. This is an embellishment that a pen pal made for me, so I didn't make that embellishment, but again, something I could just whack on and have the layout done. So I adore this release. I think they're so cute, and I'm really happy with all these products. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, go to the description, click on the Etsy link, and go check out the store and pick up any of the products that you like. If you do buy any, and I'd love to see them, you can tag me on Instagram on Jaymithescrapper. And for the people that stayed to the very end, there is a coupon code in the description for you to get 15% off any of the new releases in the store. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you later on in the week for a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.